Alright, what we're going to do here now is to get more into the heart of the if statement. But this time we're going to do somewhat like our insurance policy to calculate the no claim discount. I know no claim discount is the difference between the number of years you're driving and your age too as well. Alright, so let's do a little spreadsheet to see if we could do some simple calculations here, which you could use if you're working in an insurance company. Alright, so I'll go to my Visual Basic editor, Alt F11. Alright, and of course I will insert a module. Alright, and I'm going to create my subroutine function as sub, and I will call it insurance price, because you want a new insurance price. I know a lot of fellas like Marlon and them who is get, you know, insurance at very cheap prices because of their level of experience and over the years of driving. Right? And it's two variables you're going to use, so you have to declare these variables. So you'll declare the first variable as what? Anybody want to say it? Age. That's so that age bracket. And then we declare a next variable called number of claims, or no claims you could put it as, and then we use this as integer. Right, we have to move on a little bit because we have some real nice stuff to do today. So again, I'll use the short approach because I'll show you the long approach. Right, so age would be assigned to cell 4 2, and we'll double check that just now, and we'll take the value of it. Right, cells 4, let me just double check to see if it's 4 2, cell 4 3. Right, cell 4 3 is the value, and we will declare no claims, or which is supposed to be number, is equal to, we're going to do the short approach cells, and that would be 4 2. See everybody type. And the best way to teach is by example. Just remember, I tell all of that. The best way to teach is by example. I heard Aristotle say something like that now. That is the only way to teach, in fact. Right? So those who are out on YouTube listening to the great Andre Cadogan, feel free to subscribe to my channel as you're looking at this tutorial. So we're going to equal this to age is greater than or equal to what? What number we should use? Let me try 50. Right? We'll use the OR operator here. Right? Because we never really show you how to use the OR operator, because we had to use AND OR. So we're using OR in this case here, claims. Right? And what you will put here? Greater than or equal to 5 years. Right? So you have the age greater than or equal to 50. Or if you're driving for more than 5 years, right? Which really shouldn't be 50. You know, I think the age is like about 25 or something. So, but I'll probably change it just now and put a more realistic age, like 30 or something like that. But I'll leave it as 50 for now. Right? Then, instead of sending it out a message box, let's print it in the price. So you'll print it right here in this location here, which is what? 6 3, right? You'll send it out to this location here, the price. Let us get a price rate. So you'll put that, the cell value, cells. Let me just neaten up this a little bit. This if statement. Right? And that will be 6 3. 6 3. That is the location of it. That cell reference. Dot value and we'll just send out a hardcore number. The insurance will be 400. We'll send out a very hardcore number. I'll put else in this case here, and let's put the end if. And I'll also send it out to this same cell. Well, let's change the number a little bit. So your premium will be 800. Right? Let me run this sub and see. Let me just run it quickly. Let's double check to see if we're in the correct cell. Right, 63. Let me assign this to a macro. Insurance price. Let's run it and see what's going on here first. So you'll put number of years 6, age equal 30. Right, see showing up there? What about if your age is 55? And your number of years is 4. Still 400. What about if is yeah, we'll check it just now. They try 1. And your age is 25. You see the 800 here, yep. Let me see, it's 55. You get the 400, right? Once you're within the range now, right? But you're correct, you know. You're very correct. Because if you qualify now, let's take a look at this code. What if you're over 50 and over 5 years, you should get an additional discount? You understand what I'm saying? Now the program working good because it's either or, because you're using the or operator if you have 1. Right? It's either or. And of course that will take precedence over. Cool? Either or. You understand? The program working. But what if you're over 5 years, right? And you're over 55 in age? You should get a further discount because of the fact that you qualify for the 2 criterias. Right? Because you see how the code is. If once your age is greater than 50, or we're using the or operator here, we're not using the answers, any one of them, you'll print out a value of 4. I'm going to send this down a little bit and create a nested if here. If you had the 2 instances now. In fact, I wouldn't send it down here. I'm going to put an AND operator here instead. So let me just come up to the top here and put if age. And let's could probably just copy this entire thing here instead of typing it over. And use AND instead. I'm still keeping the statement at the bottom here, but I want that once you have the 2, you should be able to get some kind of discount now. So I'll copy this again and I'll put a nested if here. Alright, and that discount will be 200. And I'll put a else if to begin here. Alright, so what I basically did here was, if they have the both criteria, they should get a further discount. Let's see this will work. Alright, save the worksheet. Now just now show all it. Right? And let's see if this would work. 7, so that person is over 5 years and this person is over 50. And we get the 200 now. Seen it? Cool? And it's the AND operator. So we know the AND operator means that the 2 variables have to be the same. So if this person is 25 and you submit, it goes to 4 because the 2 variables must be the same in order for it to work. Right? and this is the code here. So we're showing that they qualify twice, so they get a double discount here. Alright, so here we could say double discount. Alright, so you just put that as a, as a comment. Alright, so in this area here they end up getting a double discount. This area here, once they either or 400 and either or again 800. So this is an example of using both the AND, the OR operator, and nested ifs of an insurance policy. We will take this a little further again.